What are those? Those are the wraps. Oh, so we just take down the wrap and we're finished. No, inside the wrap there's going to be food. Okay, let's all get one. So we need a wrap. It's just a circle shape. And then we're going to need some lettuce. Then we're going to need some chicken meat. Can I eat one? Of course. And then we need some of these corns. It's okay if they're a little bit cold. They're cold. And then we're going to need some cheese strips. Yep, that's all of the ingredients. How about with some lollipops? No, those are for us. Put them back. I'm just going to keep them. Let's first put some lettuce. Okay, now we're going to put some chicken meat. They're not for eating, we're going to use them for the ingredients, so then we're going to add a little bit of this. This is destiny for me. Then we're going to add a little bit of this cold corn. It's really cold. I'm going to add that cold. And next we're going to add some cheese strips. I'm going to teach you how to wrap it up. We're going to need to fold a flap, and we're going to do the same for the other side. Okay, it doesn't look wrapped up, but then we're going to put up these sides, and put them up, and then smush them down. And you wrapping it up. If you have a little bit on the side, we just tug that in. Oops. Tug that in. Ta-da! I made one. And I cashed up. Yep. Okay, we're going to put these wraps in the Ninja air fryer. Now we put both of our wraps in the Ninja air fryer. Press bake and then press start. Need to wait for 5 minutes. We see you later. Now we have our wrap done, and we have some cucumbers and some olives as a